Before buying a glass blender for smoothies, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. You might think all blenders are created equal, but trust me, the differences can be huge once you dig deeper. Product number 1, Ninja Professional Blender. First up is the Ninja Professional Blender, priced at $101.49. What caught my eye was its 1000 watts of professional power, making it a serious contender for anyone who loves smoothies. If you want a blender that can turn ice and tough ingredients into smooth perfection, this is worth a serious look. That means less time prepping and more time sipping your delicious smoothie. Plus, with a whopping 72 Oz capacity, you can whip up enough for the whole family or meal prep for the week. It's lightweight and easy to clean too, since the pitcher is dishwasher safe. Now, some people complained about the noise level. Here's the thing though, while it can be a bit loud, it's the trade-off for that powerful motor. If you're blending in the early morning, it might not be ideal, but for most, the blending speed and quality make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your smoothies and need a powerful machine that delivers. Skip this one if you're looking for something quieter and more compact. For the price, you're definitely getting solid value for a high-performance blender. Now, if the noise of the Ninja bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Hamilton Beach Power Elite. Next up is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. At just $46.97, it caught my attention with its 12 functions and a 40 Oz glass jar. If you want a blend of affordability and versatility, this one might be just what you need. The 700 watts of blending power paired with the patented wave action system means you'll get ultra-smooth results every time. It continuously forces ingredients down into the blades, ensuring that nothing gets left behind. Let's be real, who wants chunks in their smoothie? Plus, its easy pour spout makes serving mess-free. However, some users have mentioned that the blending isn't as consistent with tougher ingredients. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly blending softer fruits or veggies, you're probably not going to mind this at all. If you're making smoothies with more ice or frozen fruits, you might want to consider something with more power. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-frills blender that gets the job done. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle heavy-duty blending tasks. For the price, it's a steal for those who want a reliable smoothie maker. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more performance. Product number 3, Black Plus Decker Power Crush. Coming in at $59.77, we have the Black Plus DECKER Power Crush Multifunction Blender. This one really impressed me with its 4-tip Quad Pro blade technology. If you're looking for something that can blend quickly and efficiently, this deserves your attention. The 700-watt motor packs a punch, and the 4 speed settings mean you can easily adjust for any recipe. The 6-cup glass jar is sturdy and designed for easy pouring, which is a nice touch. Now, some users have reported that it can struggle with larger chunks of ice. But here's the thing, if you're someone who typically blends softer ingredients, you might not even notice. It's a great option for everyday smoothies, just be mindful of how you prep your ingredients. This is perfect for you if you need a solid all-rounder that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you regularly blend tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or hard vegetables. For the price, it strikes a good balance between performance and value. Now, if you're looking for more versatility and power, stick around for the next product. Product number 4, Black Plus Decker Countertop Blender. Next, we've got another Black Plus Decker option, the Countertop Blender, also priced at $59.77. This model offers 12 speed settings with a pulse function. If you want precise control over your blending, this is worth considering. The 552 watts of blending power allows for everything from smoothies to soups. Every removable part is dishwasher safe, so you won't spend ages scrubbing after your smoothie making session. However, some users did find it a bit bulky compared to other models. Here's the thing though, if you have the counter space and need a blender that can handle various tasks, this one won't disappoint. This is perfect for you if you like to experiment with different recipes and need a reliable machine. Skip this if you're looking for something compact and easy to store. For the price, you're getting a lot of features without overspending. Now, if you want something specifically designed for icy drinks and smoothies, the next product might just be the one. Product number 5, Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher. Finally, we have the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher blender priced at $72.44. This one is built to last and offers 14 functions, making it great for anyone who loves to mix things up. If you want a blender that can handle everything from smoothies to dips, this is definitely worth a look. Plus, the thermal shock-resistant glass jar is designed to withstand temperature changes, so you can go from frozen fruits to hot soups without worry. And it's easy to clean, which we all appreciate after a busy day. Some users have noted that it can be a bit slower with tougher ingredients. But honestly, if you're not in a rush and prioritize quality blending, it's a minor issue. Plus, it's built to last, so you won't need to replace it anytime soon. This is perfect for you if you want versatility and durability in your blender. Skip this one if you're solely focused on speed and powerful ice crushing. For the price, you're getting a blender that can last for years and handle a variety of tasks. So there you have it. The Ninja Professional for power lovers, Hamilton Beach Power Elite for budget-friendly versatility, Black Plus Decker Power Crush for efficiency, the Countertop Blender for control, and the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher for all-around durability. Each has its strengths, so depending on your needs, one of these should definitely fit the bill. Happy blending!